Yet another water lily hotspot in Kerala's Kottayam has started trending on social media. Paral village, which is in Kerala's Changanasheri, has a 355-acre water lily field. The best time to check out the flowers is 6 am to 9 am. A water lily fest or Ambalotsavam has also begun in the area, and it will go on till the end of September. Visitors to Paral can enjoy boating, photography, and the region's breathtaking natural beauty.